Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Webinars YouTube channel. Today is 19th of April 2023. Day is Wednesday, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Myself, Rakesh, welcome you. I'm a Dukas Copy's trading community member. They organize competitions earlier, so I was a member of that community, and still I am the member. And please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. So whatever I'm talking about here in this webinar, they are my own views. It has nothing to do with the Dukas copy. Okay, so what we are going to do in the next 45 minutes is we are going to check the key levels for the instruments that we are going to see, and mostly we will be seeing the major pairs, and after that we will see Brent, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some indexes also. Because as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already in the chart, so we'll not talk anything about fundamental in nature, and we'll only focus ourselves on the charts. And for the charts, we will be using candlestick charts. Guys, at the end of the session, I'll be answering the questions from the viewers, so please ask the question in the chat if you have any. And if the question is relevant to the topic under discussion, please please ask that, and I will be answering that then and there. I'll not wait it for the end. Lastly, whatever I say in this live stream is only to increase your knowledge or your understanding about how to draw support and resistance levels and how to use them in your trading. But you cannot take them as a trading advice. That is strictly prohibited. Please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line. Okay, before I proceed on to the charts, let me take you through this risk disclaimer. This is standard risk disclaimer, which indicates that the foreign exchange trading is a risky venture because it is traded on margin. So you should know how to use leverage, how much leverage you have to use, and vice versa. So read it, understand it completely, and then hop onto the chart. So the first chart that I show every day is the dollar index. Now, what does this chart show you? Now this is there are two 4-hourly candles. This one is going to close in the next 25 minutes. Okay, what does it signifies? Oh, I'm sorry. Hello MGA. Hello, welcome to the stream. So these 4-hourly candles are signifying that, okay, the price wants to go higher. Okay, the price wants to go higher, but the bearish trend of the daily chart is trying to push the price lower. But even then, there are buyers at the lower levels. So there is buying at the lower levels, there is selling pressure from the daily time frame. So there is an indecision form. You can see that there is a gravestone doji and then there is a dragonfly doji. They are next to each other, and they're both pointing towards 101.63. So actually none of them is on the support or the resistance levels, so we cannot deduce anything out of it. It is just a simple price action. If you switch to the 1 hour, you will see that this is nothing. Okay, this is just a wave. Okay, so on the 4-hour it looks like this, and on the daily it will look like nothing. On the daily it will look like nothing. Yes, the daily time frame trend is bearish, and we are bearish below 102.99. okay, so anything happening in this daily channel to the downside, I mean, okay, wait, on the 4-hour, yesterday we turned bearish at this break and we expected a lower high, but this was higher high. Now you see this high found 101.91. This is 101.92. So this is like 1 pip above this high. So it again breaks it to the upside, or you can say that 4-hourly trend again turned bullish. So this is still intact. 4-hourly trend is still bullish, and now we have to turn our channel to this place like this. Okay, like this. Now we need I think it will continue further. Now it may be even higher than this, or maybe up to 101.96 and then come down, or maybe to 102.46, whatever. But the price is going to continue because of this break. We understand that the price is going to continue higher. Okay, that's it. But if you ask me what is the level of interest now on the higher side, I think 101.96 is the level of interest on the higher side. This 101.63 is not holding. It is getting disobeyed again and again. So on the low side, 101.20 is the mark that you should keep your eye on in the dollar index. And still dollar is in the bearish market structure on the daily, and on the 4-hour it has again turned bullish, at least for now. Here the euro is bullish on the daily with the 1.0831 as the upswing pivot. Once this breaks, we can turn bearish on this one. Okay, let me check on the 4-hour ones, please. So yeah, this low is still holding. So this is the lowest low that the price has made. So I can bring the 4-hourly. This is the 4H support area. Okay, so when I say 4-hour support area, that means it may break. Okay, but this is daily support area. Now this is upswing pivot 1 day. That means once this price breaks, we will not have any upswings possible. Then we will enter a downtrend. Okay, if this one breaks. All right, so keep an eye on 1.0909 and 1.0999 area. GBP USD cable. Guys, what are your levels on the cable? Market structure is bullish. Okay, I think this was 4-hourly channel. Oh yes, so I think we have drawn it on the 1-hour, right? When we deduced that this market is in an uptrend, I told you when the price breaks this falling channel, you will know that the market has broken this downtrend, and then you can buy this market. But anyways, the resistance was at 1.2449, and that area is still acting as a resistance actually. But on the daily, we are expecting 1.2666 to act as a resistance. So the price may continue slowly or but steadily. The market structure is still bullish. The price is being bought, and we are expecting 1.2666, but 1.2450 area is acting as a good resistance as of now. So I'm breaking this channel, I'm breaking this channel. So these two channels are not relevant now. So if we switch to the daily, now we have support around 1.2344 area, which we can actually bring to here, this low, only when the price breaks this high. So we have this high at 1.2545. I think this is the recent high that the price has made, and this is the recent low that the price has made on the daily. But this is also a low, but it will be established as a new low only and only when the price breaks previous high. That is when the price breaks above 1.2545. We'll have this as the established low, and this line will come here. Okay, but right now it is this. I hope you understand this part. If you understand this part, give me a thumbs up. All right, guys, so you know the levels in the cable. Now the levels for the Australian dollar. So this is the level we had buy. Okay, buy. We are still in a buying territory in this one, and we'll turn bearish on this one. Actually, I will remove this and clone like this, so that we have similar type of what do you call it, strokes. So now we have entered a bullish market structure in this market, and we are expecting a higher low to be formed and a higher high to be formed. But I'm not very happy trading this market because we don't know exactly where to open buy. Yes, above 0.6618 it is buy, but this is not a very good as a risk to reward ratio point of view, because even if I say buy at the lowest point here, say I'm able to capture this bullish pin bar or this bullish pin bar, say here, my stop loss is going to be around 98 points, and my take profit minimum is 93, and I cannot expect higher till the time this is not taken out. So risking 98 pips for getting 90 pips is not a good idea. So I don't want to trade this market right now. But yes, if the market goes close to 6618, I think there I will be taking something like this. Okay, there something like this 65 I can risk for getting at least 120. At least I'll get 1:2 risk to reward ratio. But right now it is not a good idea. All right, so I will stay away. Now you know the level 6805 on the upside and 0.6618 on the downside. New Zealand dollar, not very confident about buying this market either, even on the bullish pin bar, because the market structure is bearish. Since the market structure is bearish, so I'll say stay away from Kiwi. Yes, there are levels that you can keep your eye on. 0.6181 is the support, 0.6207 is the resistance, and above this 0.6314 is the resistance. Okay, but I'll still say stay away from the Kiwi. Okay, this is not tradable as of now. You can see this. Okay, the market was trying to go up, then immediately went down, then again immediately went up, immediately went down. So there's a lot of hodgepodge in this market. Stay away from this market, guys. Yeah, this is the steady market. Now this is something tradable. Okay, the price is making higher highs, higher lows. Every time it is going higher, it is taking support at the same level once it breaks that level. And right now, I mean, today it has broken the level at 134.70, and I think if it gives a close above that, like above, not 13470 but 1347 13511, yeah, the previous level was 131, no, this was the level 13514, and today the price has made a high of 135.13. so the price has failed to break higher than this high, but it has come down and now again giving us a green candle. I think this was a small pullback and it has again gone higher, but if it fails to go higher than 135.14, I think you should get out from your positions. I was long at USD JPY after a retest and a buy limit order at the 134.44 support. Why you are buying this market so high? I don't understand, MGA. You don't seem like a positional trader. You look like as if you are trading intraday. So what you're saying is you had a limit order at 134.44. 134.44. Why would you buy here? 34.44 here. Okay, today. Okay, I understand. So I think you got filled at this candle like 4 to 8 hours ago. Yeah, satisfying. Okay, I got it. You got filled here and then you exited at around 34.70 or something. Let me know if it is so, then it is same trade as me. So you saw, yeah, okay, so you saw that these highs were getting broken and then you said, okay, I will buy around this area, about this above these highs, and you got it. You maybe have kept your stop losses below these areas and then took out at 134.70. okay, I got it. Very satisfying trade. Nice. But my point here is that if the price fails to go above 135.14 today, not today only, but even further, now you see from here it looks like a bearish pin bar, but on the 1 hour you will see that there is a break and then the lows from where there was a lot of sell off. The price is again trying to go down. Now if it makes a lower low than this one, that means a downtrend on the 1 hour has started. Okay, and you don't want to enter buy in the market where the price is trading lower highs and lower lows on the hourly chart, right? So MG, don't fall in this spray again. On the contrary, what you can do is you can create a channel actually like here, and if you really want to buy, you buy close to the support of 134.04 like this. Okay, expect something like this. Buy here close to 134.04 because this is what we are expecting as a huge support, right? All right, USD CAD, let's go. USD CAD has broken higher than 134.19. Maybe because the Brent is falling. Okay, maybe because the Brent is falling. Now this channel broken to the downside. We were expecting a resistance here. There was no resistance. The price went up. Now 134.19 is acting as a support. So what is next, guys? What is next? If this channel is not being respected and this channel is not being respected, this area is not being respected, that means our analysis has been wrong. I mean, we were expecting lower highs and lower lows in this market, and that is not happening. Now we can wait this market to go up until 135.53. Why? Because on the 4 hour now an uptrend has started. I'll explain you. I'll explain you that part. Okay, so on the 4 hour, till now you were watching it like this. Okay, the price went lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, something of this sort. Okay, then it started small up move, then again lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Now here the prices started higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so this is a small uptrend, but this uptrend will be over once the price breaks below this channel. That is one thing, and structure on the 4 hour is sure. Now I am writing it for you here. Four-hour structure is bullish, right? Now what is the daily structure showing us? What is the daily structure showing? Daily structure is showing that 1.3553 is the resistance, or 1.3553 is the recent high that the price has made before making this low. So till 4 hour structure is bullish, we don't have a problem. It can stay bullish, but if it breaks above 1.3553 area, above this high, then we have a problem. Okay, so what we do on the 4 hour, we expect the price to continue, because if it continue more, it's better for us. More is better. Okay, we expect something like this. Or do we expect something like that? Now this is the perfect trade that you can get, but you don't get perfect trade every time. So expect something like this, maybe something like this, something like this, or maybe even something like this. But you got the idea, right? First it has to break through this channel to the downside, then it will go up again to test the channel, to that close to that 1.3553, where I think a lot of sellers will try to push the market again towards 1.3419. But if you ask me what are the levels today to watch, that is 1.3419 on the downside, and on the upside 1.3553 is the resistance. USD CHF, slowly inching towards this falling channel. 0.8926 on the downside, 0.9070 on the upside. Nothing fresh, nothing much on the daily. There is nothing. Silver, I'm very bullish right now. Okay, I'm showing you the daily. In fact, wait, let me open pending. Okay, I have removed everything. So you see here the silver has been has been very bullish. If you consider the price action here, from here till here, it has moved only in like, okay, what is this? How many days has it passed? So only 28 days period, it has moved around 615 points, and here it had fell this much of points in around 28 periods. Like only 472 points it fell in 28 periods, and in next 28 periods it rise 650 points. So what does it mean? Bulls are trying to take control of the market, or actually bulls are in control of the market, I will say. Now this is the daily chart, guys. This is the daily chart. So we have been making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and till now 24.55 has not been taken out, and we are seeing today a bullish pin bar in silver that is at the support. That means 26.21 should not be very far now from this market. Okay, so the next level that you should be keeping an eye on is 26.21, and on the downside we have support at 24.55, which if breaks we will enter sell in this market. Okay guys, if you are vibing with me silently in the chat, I request you to kindly smash that like button, which is below the video. It helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Although this is not my personal channel, but because copy webinars, these guys are working hard at the back end. Let their channel have some vibes in the YouTube community. Thank you for your understanding. And if you're not subscribed to their channel, please do subscribe to their channel. My analysis is free, of course, but it doesn't cost you if you just vibe and smash that like button, right? Okay, so bullish pin bar at the support, very good idea. What you can do, keep a small buy order above this, but the problem here is that the risk to reward ratio is not good. Why? Even if I buy at the high of this candle and keep a stop loss below the low of this candle, I have 78 points of risk, but my potential profit is only 82 points. So I get less than 1:1 risk to reward ratio. 1:3 actually is what I'm targeting minimum. So I will not take this trade even if it is going to give me million of pips. If it does not satisfy my risk to reward ratio, I will not take this trade. But just to show you how the things happen, how these positions work around, so I keep opening positions like this so that you know that our analysis is going in the right direction, or our understanding of the market is going in the right direction, right? All right, guys. Okay, so let's see what is happening in the gold. Okay, gold went below 1981. It stopped out everybody who was trying to buy here in this region, and then suddenly there was a buying. Okay, this is daily candle, but let me show you on the 4-hour. So this is what on the 4-hour is. This means when the gold went lower, people who said, oh no, gold is so cheap, let's go buy it. In fact, it was like a head and shoulder breakdown, but no, that was bought immediately and the price is heading up. I think a break of this high around 2011, or maybe this one, that is 2014.88, will actually expose 2048 first, and then 2070, and then 2135. I'm expecting 2135 minimum. I'm saying 2135. It can give you more than that, but the gold is rising right now. Okay, it is looking very bullish, just like silver. Okay, so if I switch to the daily of the gold, although the gold looks red, so silver is green. In fact, as it's engulfing the previous candles also. So I am more bullish on silver than gold. If say I have only $100 and I have to invest all my $100 on one asset, I'll be investing that in silver right now. I hope you get it. Okay, this is just a signal from my side. So what about gold now? 1981 is a support. Now the support has shifted to 1969, and on the higher side now we have resistance at 2048. This is on the daily. What is happening in the Brent? Something is happening, like I told you. Why? Because Brent is going down, that's why this US dollar is going up against the Canadian one. Okay, because the Brent is directly related with the Canadian dollar, because most of the exports are crude oil. So the price going below 83.48 will make it the resistance. Now this is what is happening. You see, the price breaks below it, closes 4-hour below it, and then next 4-hour fails to go above it. This 4-hour tries to go above but was failed again and is still trading above 83.48. Now what I am expecting, I'm expecting this 79.90 to act as a support. Now this is what I am expecting. Okay, so the levels of interest for us in the Brent is 83.48 on the upside, 79.90 on the downside. That's it. US dollar against the South African rand. We are bullish in this market. We are bullish, but why the price is making lower highs and lower lows in this market right now? Well, I think we have to assess this again. Right now I see that the bullish market structure is breaking on the 4-hour at least. Let me check on the daily. All right, on the daily, if it has to break, it has to break 17.6939. So daily is bullish. One day is bullish, 4H is bearish. Okay, all right, keep an eye on this. Like, let's see if we switch to the 4-hour again. But you see on the lower levels, even below 18.1017 area, the price is still able to get some buyers. So the price is trying to stay above this rising channel. I think this is good. This is good for the US dollar against the South African rand. And if this continues like this, then we can even draw a triangle. Okay, we can even draw a triangle here. I think This is what we can draw, right? So this is an ascending triangle, and if that breaks to the upside above 18.3310, then we can expect if 18.5348 and 18.71652 in this one. All right, see, the price is making higher highs and higher lows, but here the price went lower but was immediately bought back. So actually this is a bearish market structure, like breaking below the 4-hourly recent low that the price has made and making lower highs and lower lows. But still, let's see, because the daily is bullish and our bias is based on the daily candles. What is happening in Bitcoin, guys? Where is it trading? Okay, it went again to 29,139 and even traded below this low. Okay, this is wrong. There's something bad about for the Bitcoin lovers. The low is 29,089 here, and here the low is 28,995. So the price below this has been traded and was not bought back immediately like this here. Okay, so yes, expect some sell off, huge sell off. I think Bitcoin is going to go through some tough times now. Anytime expect a break below 29,139. In fact, now 29,139 is not the support, 28,995.5 is the support. Expect something like this. You see, I'm not new here. Expect something like this. All right, guys, I've given you a hint. Now rest you can do your own analysis. We are expecting now the lower prices here on the 4-hour. I will show you what I am expecting. So now I am expecting 26,486 in this market. All right, or maybe just wait. Let me correct my channel, because this channel is what I'm keeping my analysis on the basis of this channel. Okay, so let me correct my channel, because if my channel is wrong, you may have a wrong analysis. All right, I think this is good. Okay, this channel is still holding actually. So I'll change my lines like this. If we break through 28,995 and break through this channel, then we are expecting 26,486 in this market, guys. What about euro? Who is trading euro? MG, are you trading euro? Euro has been so nicely moving, slowly inching towards 148.39. There cannot be a better market than this one. Breaks higher, boom boom boom, comes back to a retest, boom boom boom, goes higher. Yeah, but you have to be very sure that the market structure, if you're trading, 148.39 is the next level that we are expecting. In this one, 146.72 is now established support. In fact, we have moved higher than that on the 4-hour, but we want to keep our bias on the daily, and this is what we were expecting. That did not happen. In fact, the price keep on going higher. So on the basis of daily, 142.54 is the support, established support. No, this is the low that price has made on the, this is a swing low. Okay, this is swing low because there is a higher low on the left and higher low on the right. So 146.66 is now the support, and 148.39 is the resistance. I have traded Euro USD, so that's good. Euro USD is also very good. You see, Euro USD has been very good. So if you have traded this market, that's fine. You see, MG, do you agree that if you have these levels on your charts, you know to what extent something can fall before it starts rising again? So if you know that, you say, I'll give you one example. Okay, see, this is a clean chart. Okay, suppose that this is what you are going through. Okay, this can be this mark. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'll just make it this one. So this is some market. Okay, XYZ. Okay, it is making a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a bit higher high, a bit higher low, a higher high, and a higher low, a higher high, and a higher low. Okay, now you know that this market is making higher highs and higher low. When you switch to, say, the low time frames, when this low is forming, you just have to create a channel on this low, Okay, that's all what you have to do. Once your low time frame aligns again in the direction of the trend, you have to open your position. This is one way. This is the easiest way of trading. Okay, now suppose you are trading euro today. You know that your bias is bullish above 1.0831, so you are only looking for bullish trades in the euro. Okay, and you are creating channels like this on the downside. If it is not today, it was yesterday, you can drop this, and you can drop the channel from this high to say this and this. In fact, this was not what was happening today, right? I want to go back 24 hours. So if I go back 24 hours, I reach here. So from here, we know that the market is trending up. Okay, we are in the direction of the daily trend. So okay, when we traded lower on the 1 hour, we got out. All right, so when we got out, we made a channel. Okay, this is the only thing that you could have done to make sure that you trade only in the direction of the trend. Now till last 3 hours, this has not happened. I mean 1.0960, below that you could not have traded. Above that, when the price closed, actually it never closed, believe me, it never closed outside that. It only closed above. But this is not generally what happens. Okay, I'm sorry that today was not the case of buying. But here, like this one here, you can actually make a channel like this, and once this breaks to the upside, you can buy it. I'm sorry that today was not the case, because there is a lot of movement, maybe because of some news or something, but yes, there was a lot of news. Okay, but generally it gives you very nice trades to the upside. Okay, if you say even bought it here, you have 45 intraday points. Okay, 30 points of stop loss, and actually if you're buying here, you are only keeping stop loss to 14 or 15 points, so it will still give you 1:3 risk to reward ratio. But why I'm talking about this? Okay, forget it. So 148.39 is the resistance, 146.66 is the support. Well, euro gbp, we are not trading this market. One trade time frame is bullish above 0.8728. okay, it is bullish, so we have to trade it in the bullish direction. We let it run down like this, and then when it turns bullish, we'll buy this market close to 0.8729. okay, this place here is 0.8729. okay, so we buy it there. All right, on the higher side, 0.8828 is the resistance in this one. You can actually ignore this channel. Okay, expect this channel only to be followed. Again, a bullish pin bar on the daily. Price is exceeding or accelerating towards 4162. 4162 is no more resistance. Now the resistance is 4172, because yesterday the price has made a high of 4172. Expect that to be broken soon, and 4195 to be tested in this market. We are bullish on this market from the time it has broken above 4078. On the downside, we can expect some support at 4083, and on the higher side, we can expect some resistance at 4172, but we are expecting 4195 minimum in this market. Euro against the Australian dollar, very good market. It has broken below this 1.6263. Again, expect some sell-off from here, because we are expecting 1.6034 in this market. So right now resistance is sitting at 1.6435. expect some support at around 1.6, okay, sorry, 6245, 1.6245, and later on you can expect support at 1.6034 in this market. Ethereum, similarly, like the Bitcoin, Ethereum has also come down from that channel. I think we need to revisit this channel, because this is no longer valid. In fact, this may be the channel now. This may be the channel. Okay, the triangle has been broken, but after that it has never been tested, so maybe this is a break and retest, and then you can expect some up move. But right now it is not a very good candle, not good looking candle for the Ethereum. Expect some support at around 1933 level. If there is a support, fine. If there is no support and the price breaks below this rising channel, then expect some more sell off towards 7061 and 1685. Right now 2041 is the resistance, and expect some buying at around 1938 level in this market. CAD JPY, we are bullish on this one. 100.87 is what we are expecting. Right now the price has breached below the previous lows. I'll count it as a head and shoulder breakdown to the downside. Okay, if that is sure. If the price, I think, breaks below this now, below this 99.94, then we can say safely that CAD JPY has entered a sell mode on the 1 hour. But if you have to say on the 4 hour and the daily, then the support is very deep, and it can give even a sell off towards 98.67 also. Till 98.67 it is bullish. Okay, till 98.67 this market is bullish, because that was the previous low that the market has established before making this high. All right guys, what you can do in this one, similarly you can open something like this. Benny, hello Benny, welcome to the stream, thank you for joining. Benny, how did you find us? Can you tell me? Okay, so CAD JPY on H4 is doing good actually. Expect this channel to be observed for some days, or you can say some consolidation may happen here before the price heads to 100.87 and 101.40. all right. USA Tech, finally a movement toward 13224. That is the level that we are expecting. A break higher is possible, and if we trade any day, any pip above 13224.989, then the level of 13723.789 will be exposed in this market. So Nasdaq trading above 13224.989 will expose 13723, and if for some reason the price starts going down, then we can expect 12817 to act as a support. So keep your trades or place your trades close to these levels to get maximum advantage of my key levels. All right guys, so that's all for my levels. I hope that you have some idea about the support and the resistance levels, or I will say the key inflection points of interest in the coming hours and days. My request to you is that if you're trading it on the live account, you first learn the process, master the process. It may take a year or more. Master the process, make it your second nature to execute this system that I have. This is a simple system of trading, okay, market structure. You just want to trade in the direction of the trend, but sometimes you're right, sometimes you're wrong. When you're wrong, do not lose more. When you're right, you make more. So my point here is that you should only risk less than 1% of your entire equity on a single trade. You can risk 1% on multiple trades, but risk only 1% or less on a single trade. I mean, if your stop loss gets triggered, you should not lose more than 1% of your account on that trade. All right, and how can you achieve this? To achieve this, you have to adjust your position size in such a manner that if your stop loss gets triggered, your equity should not lose more than 1% of the entire value, because you want to live for another day to trade, right? And if you always risk less than 1% and expect more than 3 times whatever you are risking, this is not an unnecessary expectation. You have to analyze your market, you have to find a trade, and you have to examine that trade. Okay, this is my stop loss, okay, this is my potential profit. What is my risk? Is my profit 3 times the risk that I'm going to take? Yeah, okay, my potential profit is more than 3 times the risk that I'm okay, then you press the trigger. Okay, then you press the buy or sell button. But if you find that, okay, no, it is only 1 or 2 or 2.5 risk to reward ratio, then don't open that trade. There is no need to open a trade. So you are going to play your hand only if you are getting aces, pocket aces, or say pocket kings like this. If you have a loose hand, if you don't have a good hand, like in poker, you don't play it. Okay, you don't play it, you check it or you pass it. Don't play this hand. So similarly, like in my silver trade, I told you in my silver trade, I said that yes, there is a bullish pin bar. I know that the price is going towards 26.21, but I'm not a god, I'm not a crystal ball holder, so I don't know whether the price will go for here for sure, because I have to keep a stop loss below 24.55, because that is technically true. If I keep a stop loss below 24.55, then only my stop loss is valid. But the problem is that even if I buy at the right now at the market, my stop loss is going to be 73 or 75 points. But what is my potential profit from here? If the price starts moving upwards, I'm expecting a resistance at 26.21. So my potential profit is only 85 points, which is less than 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So I don't want to trade that. I want to trade if it gives me 3 times of what I'm risking. Say if I'm risking 90 points here, I need 270 points from this market minimum. If there's a potential of this market to give me 270 points, I'll buy it. If there's no potential, I'll skip this trade. Maybe I'll buy some other thing or sell some other thing, right? I hope you get the idea. This is called risk management, guys. And statistically, if you trade like this, then in the longer run, you will always be profitable, because you will have to be right only 3 times in the 10 times. Okay, guys, with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. Leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to this channel for more such videos. Have a good day. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you for your time. I appreciate your time. Thank you once again for being here. Benny, hello, welcome to the stream. Consider subscribing to the channel, Benny, if you are still here. And we are here at 16:30 GMT every day, like Monday to Friday, not on Saturdays and Sunday. You can touch base with me on my Skype handle that is listed right in front of you. And I have another YouTube channel, Bulls and Bears, that is my own sole channel, where I share sometime my life my trades off from my live account, because this is not my channel, so I cannot share it here. But you can still subscribe to me on that Bulls and Bear channel. Thank you very much. Stay happy. Peace.